Hello, in this video, we will introduce multi-dimensional arrays. In the preceding section, you used a two-dimensional array to represent a matrix or a table. Occasionally, you will need to represent n-dimensional data. In C++, you can create n-dimensional arrays for any integer n, two-dimensional, three-dimensional, four-dimensional, five-dimensional, any dimension. Let's look at declaring a three-dimensional array. So this the example here. Declaring scores is three-dimensional, 6, 5, 2. Now here is the data in the array. So how do you interpret the data? It is representing the scores for 6 students. Each student takes 5 exams. Each exam has 2 parts, the multiple choice part and essay part. So this is scores I, J, K. So I is for which student, J is for which exam for the student, and a K is for which part of the exam, multiple choice or essay scores. Let's write an example using a three-dimensional array for computing daily temperature and humidity average. So suppose we have a data for the temperature and humidity for 10 days every hour. So every hour, each day has 24 hours. So now you have day 1, hour 1. So what's the temperature, what's the humidity? And day 1, hour 2, so hour 3. So day 10, hour 23, and day 10, hour 24. So what is the temperature, what's the humidity? So we are going to have this array data to store this, the number of days, and this is the number of hours, and here is 2. This is three-dimensional array. We're going to prompt the user to enter a day, hour, temperature, and humidity, and put this into the three-dimensional array. So this is day, hour, temperature, and here is day, hour, and humidity. Humidity is 1. Now we're going to get the average daily temperature and humidity. So this for every day, there's 10 days, and for each day, so we now have this daily temperature total and daily humidity total. So we need to find out what is this. So we're going to add all this for the number of hours and 24 hours. So now add this data ij0, that is for the temperature, into the total. And this is the humidity, is data brackets I, brackets j, and brackets 1. After this loop is finished, we have the total for the day. So now we get an average daily temperature total divided by number of hours, daily humidity total divided by number of hours. And this is done for 10 days. Let's look at another program. Here is guessing both days. We have this program in chapter 4 is to ask the user 5 questions. If your birth date, this is for the birthday of the month. If your birth date of the month is in set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, set 5. So we can put all this data, 5 sets, in this three-dimensional array. So this is 5 sets. And now this, for each set, we have 4 rows and 4 columns. So this is put all the data here. Now, we're going to ask user 5 questions. Is your birthday in set? So this is set 1, so I is 0, so I plus 1 is 1, set 1, and or set 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, we're going to display the data from the set. So this is data, brackets I, and brackets J. So this is brackets K. Display the data in this format with the width is 3. Get the answer from the user. If the answer is Y, then we are going to add this first day in the 5 sets. So this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 into day. After this, 5 questions are answered, so we have the day. Now, comparing this program with the program in chapter 4, it's much simpler because you put all the data in a 3-dimensional array. That is all for this section, multi-dimensional array. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.